Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. 4-year heat record as temperatures soar across Australia. Melbourne has recorded its hottest temperature in 4 years as a heat wave sweeps across the northeast of Australia. The extreme heat may reach 50 degrees Celsius in the Western Australia. The temperature in the center of the Melbourne reached 39.2 degrees at 3:20 p.m. on Friday, according to the Bureau of Meteorology, making the first time it has passed 38 since 2018. At the same time, the temperature at the Melbourne Airport hit 40.6 degrees Celsius. A fire broke out alongside the Monash Freeway in the Hawthorn in the inner Melbourne about 1:45 p.m. amid the high heat, causing significant traffic delays with the 3 outbound lanes of the freeway having to be closed. Agencies reported that they are expecting the cool change to the travel through the southern by-side suburbs around 4 to 5 p.m., then through the city to 5 to 6 p.m. and outer suburbs after that. So it will be an abrupt change with the temperatures dropping anywhere from 5 to 10 degrees. Agencies said it was a tale of two extremes in the country as the top end and northern Queensland see heavy rain and flooding, while the west and south swelter through a heat wave. The heat has been sitting in the Western Australia for the few weeks, but now the heat is dragged to the central and southeast parts of the country over the last few days. The heat peaked yesterday in the South Australia when the Adelaide reached 40 degrees Celsius as out of control bushfire broke out of the part of the Lincoln in the state of Eyre Peninsula. The extreme fire danger conditions sparked the total fire ban for the central and north central districts from the Central Fire Authority. From Friday and into the weekend, the conditions were expected to extend across the New South Wales coast and push into the southern Queensland, with severe intensity heat wave conditions developing in the isolated pockets. These are initially going to be around northeastern Tasmania, parts of the southern Victoria and southeastern New South Wales tomorrow, before pushing a little bit further up to the New South Wales coast on Saturday. For the weekend, the heat wave is set to move into New South Wales, bringing a peak of 31 degrees Celsius in the Sydney on Saturday and up to 38 degrees in the city's western suburbs. Water temperatures will also be lovely in Sydney this weekend in the mid of the upper 20s as the heat wave brings people to draw to the beaches. Bureau of Meteorology forecast heat wave categories for Friday, Saturday and Sunday. The heat will move into the southern Queensland too over the weekend and early next week. The heat wave is bringing the elevated fire danger with the high to extreme warnings for the central Victoria today and more to come for the New South Wales at the weekend. Adelaide sweltered in the temperatures of 39.7 degrees Celsius on Thursday, marking its second hottest day so far this year, but a cool change is forecast for the Friday. In Darwin, it will be 33 degrees and thunderstorms across Friday, Saturday and Sunday. The prolonged heat conditions come as Met Office predicts warm temperatures will last longer this year as La Nina conditions ease. Severe heat waves can be dangerous for many people, especially older people, babies, children, pregnant and breastfeeding women, people with medical conditions and people who are unwell. People are advised to seek a place to keep cool, close their windows and draw blinds, curtains or awnings early in the day. If available, they are advised to use fans or air conditioners to keep cool. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.